Is Accra really the most beautiful city in West Africa? Before we start, here's a quick glimpse of what you're about to see. We're now at Kotoka International Airport, Ghana's primary gateway to the world. Next, we move to Accra Central, the bustling core of Ghana's capital city. This area is packed with energy, from the vibrant Makola market to the historic buildings that showcase Accra's colonial past. Accra Central truly never sleeps. Accra's architecture is a captivating blend of traditional and contemporary styles. From the iconic Osu Castle, a remnant of colonial history, to the modern skyscrapers that dot the skyline, each structure tells a story of cultural evolution. This dynamic landscape illustrates the resilience and creativity of Accra's people. This is the Teta Kwarshi Interchange, one of Accra's most iconic landmarks and a vital hub for traffic flow in the city. Named after Teta Kwarshi, the Ghanaian agricultural pioneer who brought cocoa to the country, this interchange symbolizes progress and connectivity. It connects major roads to areas like Legon, Spintex, and Accra Mall, handling thousands of vehicles daily. It's impossible to talk about Accra without talking about the University of Ghana. Founded in 1948, stands as Ghana's flagship institution for higher education and research excellence. Ranked among the top universities globally, it attracts over 65,000 students each year from all over the world. This university has set high academic standards that influence higher education across the nation. Known for its strength in public health, biotechnology, and engineering, the University of Ghana fosters impactful research and global partnerships, making a significant mark in local and international arenas. Exploring lesser-known neighborhoods in Accra reveals a fascinating contrast to the city's upscale districts. This town, for example, reflects the daily lives and resilience of its people. In this bustling neighborhood, you'll find a mix of traditional compound houses and newer, concrete structures. Accra transforms at night. The city's skyline glows as lights illuminate buildings, streets, and neighborhoods, from Osu to the bustling streets of Circle. Next, we head to Cape Coast Castle, a place with a somber history. Once a trading post in the transatlantic slave trade, this UNESCO World Heritage Site reminds us of a painful past, but also resilience and remembrance. Just nearby, Kotokoraba Market bursts with life. Here, the vibrant colors of fabrics, fresh foods, and artisan crafts embody the energy of Ghanaian commerce and community. Still on the subject of castles and forts, Elmina Castle, one of the oldest European buildings in sub-Saharan Africa, holds a complex history. Established by the Portuguese in 1482, this fortress became a pivotal point in the transatlantic slave trade. Today, it stands as a solemn reminder of the past, where visitors can reflect on the harrowing experiences endured by countless individuals. The castle's stunning coastal views also juxtapose its dark history, creating a profound experience for all who visit. Missionaries established some of Ghana's first schools here in the 1800s, primarily to spread Christianity and Western knowledge. Schools like Mfantsipim and Adisadel College were created to mold local elites who could aid colonial administration. These institutions emphasized English, European history, and Christian teachings, reflecting colonial priorities. Today, Cape Coast stands as a historic center of learning in Ghana, home to some of the nation's most prestigious schools and universities. Cape Coast's architecture is a blend of colonial legacy and modern charm. Many buildings in the town reflect British and Dutch influences, with classic European arches and facades still visible today. Notable landmarks like the Pempamsi Hotel and Ridge Royal Hotel bring a contemporary touch to the town, offering modern amenities while respecting Cape Coast's historic backdrop. Walking through the town, you can still sense the impact of the colonial era in the design and layout, blending Cape Coast's vibrant culture with its layered history. Our journey leads us to other places in Ghana. Our first stop is Kumasi. Just a stone's throw from the bustling Sofo Line interchange stands Prempeh College, one of Ghana's most iconic secondary schools. Situated near Sofo Line, the school benefits from easy access for students commuting from all over the country. Prempeh College stands as one of Ghana's most prestigious secondary schools. Established in 1949 by the Asantehene and the British, it has a rich tradition of academic excellence and discipline. Known as Amanfour, its alumni have made significant contributions across fields in Ghana and beyond. Prempeh College is also renowned for its achievements in science and technology, regularly winning national and international academic competitions. The school's lush campus and iconic green and white colors represent the pride of Kumasi, making Prempeh College not just a school but a symbol of excellence and leadership. We start off with the Kejaitia Market, is the heartbeat of Kumasi. Recently modernized, it features a vast, multi-level complex that stands alongside traditional stalls, blending modern convenience with a rich cultural atmosphere. With over 10,000 stalls, Kejaitia is a bustling center for trade where you can find everything from handcrafted goods to fresh produce. This vibrant marketplace not only drives Kumasi's economy, but also preserves its legacy as a historic trade hub, showcasing the city's resilient and entrepreneurial spirit. Not far off is Adum, known for its endless rows of shops, offices, and street vendors. Adum is where the city's pulse truly comes alive. This area is a hub for traders and shoppers, offering everything from textiles and electronics to traditional Ashanti crafts. Its vibrant streets tell a story of Kumasi's thriving commerce and local entrepreneurship. Well, if you want to escape the busy city life, Kintampo is the place to be. Nestled in the heart of Ghana, Kintampo Waterfalls is one of the country's most breathtaking natural wonders. Cascading down several levels, the falls are surrounded by lush green forest, creating a peaceful oasis away from city life. A popular stop for travelers, Kintampo Waterfalls combines nature's raw beauty with a sense of adventure, as visitors can explore nearby trails and marvel at the rushing waters. Whether it's the gentle mist from the falls or the sound of water echoing through the trees, Kintampo offers a serene experience that captures Ghana's natural splendor. Tucked away near Kintampo is also Fuller Falls, as one of Ghana's hidden gems. Flowing gracefully down rock formations, the falls create a gentle, soothing cascade that offers a more tranquil experience than some of Ghana's larger waterfalls. Encircled by lush vegetation and natural pools, it's an ideal spot for relaxation and a quiet connection with nature. In the next episode, we will explore more beautiful cultures in Ghana. We will also explore the lush countrysides. We will tour the rural areas in Tamale and Bolgatanga and explore more breathtaking landscapes all across Ghana. If you found this video interesting, kindly leave a like and a comment. We would also appreciate if you could subscribe to help us keep this channel alive. Thanks for watching.